Hello everyone, Judy coming. Welcome to Techray. Today, I will take you to visit China #1 manufacturer for oxygen plant. Let's go. Why Techray is China #1? We have 3 advantages. The first part is our top technologies. Our whole system obtained 100 patents to be guarantee our whole system with high standard and high purity. The second part is top producing ability. All of our machine will have to guarantee our system can be running in all over the world with more than 10 years. The third part is our top brand. Now we work with more than 4,000 hospitals and work with more than 40 countries for cooperation. This is a gift we prepared for Africa. We are not only produce oxygen plant, but also protect your life. Hope to have cooperation with you in near future. Thank you.